Good news, your cabinet business is booming in Belgium, but your old tools just aren't cutting it. Literally. No problem. Avid CNC has the machines you need to elevate your business and the experience to make sure they arrive at their international destination. Whether you're looking to increase your production capacity, dramatically improve the accuracy of your workflow, or delve into new fabrication techniques, our ready-to-build machine kits have been expertly designed to provide everyone with easy access to CNC technology. Over the years, we've connected with avid makers in 45 different countries, from Canada to Portugal, all the way to Australia. No matter where you live, our team in North Bend, Washington will work tirelessly to ensure that your CNC machine arrives home safely, wherever that may be.